Hey there, this is Matteo from Spotahome Milano, and today we are in Via Settembrini in order to check shared bedroom apartments with 3 bedrooms and 2 shared bathrooms. We are on the 3rd floor and there's a lift taking you here, as you can tell. So we're now proceeding to check the apartment. This is the main hall. On the right we have the kitchen, and this is the corridor taking you to the bathroom and the rooms. So here's the first bathroom and the second one. So just quickly starting from the kitchen, I just tell you that it's a full furnished apartment. You can tell it's a fully equipped kitchen as well, with oven, as a fridge and freezer just on the top. We have a dishwasher, a sink, stove, and all the utensils that you might need. There's a toaster as well, plenty of room for plates, glasses, which already comes with the apartment. There's a little balcony facing the courtyard. And now we're just gonna quickly check the 2 shared bathrooms. As you can see, there's plenty of storage room and wardrobe. This is the first of 2, with shower, sink, and here's the toilet with some storage space. All clean and tidy. Here's the second bathroom with a washing machine. As you can tell, there's some space to dry your clothes both inside and outside the apartment. And this bathroom is equipped with a shower as well, very spacious. So now just starting with the first bedroom, which is the only double one. So it comes with 2 big beds. It's very bright and sunny, very luminous. There's a desk, 2 of them actually. Every room of this apartment is actually equipped with a fridge, personal. There's wardrobe, TV, and we don't have any air conditioning, but as you have seen, we have a fan for each room. This is the only room that has a balcony facing the street. We are now pretty close to Corso Buenos Aires, and there's tram 1 and 5 just down the street, as well as the underground stop Caiazzo of the line 2. So it's all very convenient. We are just walking distance from the central station. And there's plenty of services all around. So beside Corso Buenos Aires, we also have a Carrefour just down the block. Now proceeding with the second bedroom. Can only be rented to single. Comes with a fridge in the same way. Some bedside tables, big bed. That's a desk, TV, the fan. And this one's facing into your courtyard as well. It's all very new, nice, tidy. Now just going back through the corridor, we're gonna see the 3rd and last room, which again can only be rented to single. It's got a window facing the courtyard, TV, fan, a big wardrobe to store all your clothes, and 2 bedside tables. So I think I've shown you everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and see you next time. Ciao!